The MITSUMOTO Sakari Kiritsuke knife features a meticulously hand-forged blade, utilizing VG-10 Damascus steel and a triple-layered copper composite, ensuring exceptional sharpness and impressive durability. Its blade is expertly crafted to be just 2.3 millimeters thin, allowing for precise and smooth slicing through delicate fish fillets while maintaining the meat's integrity and tenderness. The knife's handle is made from a striking combination of natural resin and copper wire, offering an aesthetically pleasing look and a comfortable, ergonomic grip. This exquisite sashimi knife comes beautifully presented in a premium sandalwood box, making it an ideal gift for both home cooks and professional chefs on special occasions. Proper care is essential for maintaining the knife's performance, including regular sharpening, hand washing, and immediate drying after use. The MITSUMOTO Sakari Kiritsuke knife is not only a functional kitchen tool but also a work of art that enhances any culinary experience.